Wait, just wait. These new comics are so eager. I know, right? Yeah, this is a name that I'm never going to get right, but I'm going to try right now. Let's give it up for a delightful stylings to Sam Brager, everybody.
Howdy. How we doing tonight, guys? Sorry about that. Both first-timers tonight, as you guys could tell. Don't really got much to talk about up here besides that. You guys seem like a good crowd tonight. Let's do this. To be honest with you, came here with my friend Jason. Kind of dragged me into this, but to be honest, his life's pretty bright right now. But thanks, man. I was about to get into the jokes, but I can't take spicy foods because he just brought me to a ramen place. It's not been good, man. It's just like being white out here in the streets. It's not. Especially being from like Los Gatos, Santa Cruz. You're sitting there like, man, no food out here. It's bad. And I go out to my Filipino friend's house. I'm sitting there like, damn. I'm gonna be monkey pooping for the rest of my life right here. So that you guys know monkey pooping noise. It's like an upper decker blob. Don't worry about it. He brought me onto it. Alright, well, monkey pooping. Since you asked. So you go like this. So imagine this is the toilet seat, right? And then you got the head or whatever it is up there. You put your feet on the seat and you rest your back, so you kind of comes out in like one kind of thing. You know what I mean? No, man. See, the thing is, I busted my knee when playing basketball. I was gonna go become D1 and gonna go to Auburn. But then I busted it, and I can't do it now. Because when I tried it, I had a zin in my mouth. And it was all bad. Maybe after the show, man. We got a bathroom upstairs that's pretty, big stalls and all that. But damn, man, I can't get monkey poop. Sorry about that, guys. I totally ruined your whole night. You're never gonna forget about that now. That kind of happened to me. Man, you stumped me. I'm looking at this. I can't do it. I'd fall straight. I'd have to sue this place right here. It'd be their fault, kind of.